and pops back up.
That must be my battery.
It went down to 50 and then popped back up to 100. Probably because I was full throttle the whole way. I went 26.5 miles an hour basically that whole way.
I just ran out of footage.
Yeah.
I got to get a bigger SD card for this. Yeah, so it went down to 50, popped back to 100. So it'll probably settle out at 75.
Yeah.
That's what he told me it did to him too.
Yeah.
So that's something to say about that. You was doing pretty fast down through there because you was pulling away from me.
26.4 miles an hour.
26.4 on the gravel.
Yep.
On the service road.
And
I don't know why I'm taping it. You know, I'm not taping.
Hit the rear brake.
Yeah.
While I was slowing down, pressed it as hard as I could, back wheeling out a little bit.
A little bit of skidding action there.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna jump back on the trail here. Head back the other way. Well, I can't. Does me no good talking. I ain't got my camera on.
I think this does good. Like dirt trails like that, you know.
Yeah, it does real well.
The side rusher there is better for the hills because of the suspension and better torque.
Yep.
But this is better for something like that where you got more speed.
Yeah, it did extremely well. I should know I'm only going to get about 45 minutes of video.
It'll go on and off road completely fine.
Well.
On your left. And yeah. You know what? This is turning into the most fun one we have.
I'm telling you.
And the most comfortable too.
I told you it was comfortable. It's almost as comfortable as an electric bike company had it.
Yep. If you changed out the seat, it would be.
It'd be the most comfortable we have.
And maybe put on some bigger pedals, but I mean,
yep.
Yeah. Which we may have to do that. It looks like it has the same type of pedals as the side rusher there.
But it runs very smooth.
Oh yeah.
I'm just curious how long of a range we get out of that battery. I may order another battery for it just so it would be on the safe side.
At that point, we could go like 100 miles with it.
I'm telling you. It won't quite fit in that bag. I already measured it. It'll be about an inch off, but I think we can get it in the bag to carry. I may get another battery for that suit.
Yeah.
I'm happy with the bike enough now to get another battery.
Oh yeah. Already one day.
One day we had the bike. I mean, you know, they're going to send me a $2,500 e-bike. I'm going to show them a little bit of love on a $500 battery.
Yeah.
But that's really at their cost, and they're not making a whole lot on it.
Really, at this point, we're already doing more than we've done on the side rusher there.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
I'm glad we went off-road now that now we know where that's at.
Yeah. Maybe at some point we'll have to bring a secondary battery for that and we can go a little farther down there.
Yeah, we could.
Precarious right there, that little bridge on the right.
Yeah. Still at 100%.
Yep.
That's craziness.
I'd guess it's around like 75 really.
We've got in 9 miles right here.
Yeah? Well really, yeah, it may still be like over 75% with what they're saying the range is.
Yeah, I didn't. What did you say the range was on that battery?
I believe it was like 40 to 60 miles on the bike.
That's probably going to be pretty accurate.
Yeah.
with a lighter rider for sure. If somebody was 140, 150 pounds, I could see that easily. Go to Cincinnati one way on that. That's the better one.
Oh yeah, that's one of the new C8 Corvettes right there.
But that'll move.
You know, if this didn't have a bunch of sticks in it, that would be really fun going over that.
Yeah, it probably would. Maybe with the side pressure anyway.
Yeah. Yeah, true, yeah. It gets past about 20 miles an hour.
Stop up here and plug my phone in because the battery's low again.
All right. Yeah, I think once we get past about 20 miles an hour, I'm faster than you.
Yeah.
Like if we were both 20 miles an hour next to each other, I could pull faster than you. But I mean, from a stop, you're definitely faster.
Yeah, this has definitely got more torque from a start.
That's the, like, on a city riding bike, you know, you hit potholes, you have the suspension.
Yes.
The torque for stop and go traffic.
I hope I remember to bring that. Get by without it, but I thought for sure I put that in the bag.
We're not too far from home, so.
No. Well, I'm just going to go and plug it in while we're rolling. There it is. Knew I had it. Yeah,
See,
again.
Can see the highway from here going across.
Definitely see 35. Let's call it Route 35 here in Dayton. One of our major highways. To some of you folks, that'd be back roads
Yeah.
compared to some cities. Yeah, I'm having to plug my phone in here. It's about to die.
You know, one nice thing I like about this is the fender goes all the way down the frame. Because you see on the back of the side rusher there, down on this swing arm here,
yeah,
the dirt gets all in there.
It does.
It doesn't on this. So
yeah, because you
when we went under the bridge next to the 9/11 memorial over there, I went into that mud there.
Wow.
See, nothing on the bike. A tiny bit here.
No, you're definitely getting more mud on this one.
Yeah.
This one takes a while to clean.
The front fender goes back more too. So
yeah, it does. I like the straight handlebars on that.
Yeah.
They're not as wide as the side rusher.
But
I like the grips better on this.
Yes, yes.
This is smooth, them are not. All right, I think we're ready. I'm charging.
All right, cool.
All right, we're going to finish up our ride here. We got about another,
I don't know, 7 miles?
6 miles, 6.5.
Yeah.
It's almost 6.5 to the memorial.
Once we pass this park up here, I may have to cut down into the field a little bit. Yeah, sorry if the cars are a little loud too, or wind. Oh, looks like Dan dropped something. Right here. It fell off.
Whoops.
Oh.
I said, how did you even know we lost it?
It fell off of yours.
Oh, on mine.
Yeah.
Bug just flew in my eye. It's the reason I almost crashed into you.
I'll just throw it in the back of my pouch.
Yeah, go ahead. Caleb, I had my little charger carry and I forgot to put it in the bag, and as I'm riding in front of Caleb, it flew off my bag, so.
Yeah.
I seen Caleb stop and I said, well, I don't know why he's stopping.
This stops amazingly. I probably started braking. I don't know where that little white mark is there.
Yeah. There you go.
So I'll show them about how far it was. So about like right here, right down here. Stop from 20 miles an hour.
Seen it fly off my bag.
Yeah.
That ain't the first time I've lost stuff like that. Freaking bug flew right in my eyes. I was coming up on you. All right, here we go.
there?
I'm telling you, it's a fun bike.
Yeah.
If we had the battery juice, I wouldn't hesitate to go 100 miles on these things.
If, you know what? If we were able to go into the settings and get as much torque as that, it'd be amazing.
I'm sorry, to get on what?
If we were able to get in the advanced settings on this and get as much torque as the side rusher, that'd be amazing.